Hey guys! Hey guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. To be honest, I've forgotten how to film a YouTube video because I haven't done it in so long. Well, I have, but I haven't really sat down and done makeup like this in so long. So, the last hour I have been having a play with the Juvia's Place holiday collection, the Nubian Royal. I keep wanting to say Royale, but there's no E at the end, so it's the Nubian Royal. I have got this palette all up in my eyes today. I am actually so happy with how this look turned out. I've just been taking my time having to play with it, playing with the colors, experimenting with them, and I think I've got every single shade on my eyes today. So today's video is going to be a review of the Juvia's Place Nubian Royal collection. I don't know if this is limited edition or if it's something that they're going to keep bringing back. The fact that it's a holiday collection means it'll be available until at least the end of the year, because Christmas holidays, it's only November now, and the end of December is still a month away, so you still got a bit of time to purchase this if it is a limited edition. What this collection consists of is an eyeshadow palette and 2 lip balms. I unfortunately did not get my lip balms in the boxes. They just came in the box like this, which I'm a little bit peeved about. Like, I know it's first world problems and it's not a big deal. At the end of the day, it's just makeup. It's not that deep. And it's not even just makeup. It's the box that the makeup comes in. But I love the packaging in Juvia's Place, and I'm kind of annoyed that I didn't get the boxes that the lippies came in. I just like to have my collection complete, you know? As you can see from my background, I like to have my collection complete. So anyway, the box itself is an experience. You know, first off looking at it, that this is Juvia's Place. They hit the nail on the head again when it comes to the packaging. I would be so thrilled to receive this as a present, or even a present to myself, which it is. But this is what the box looks like. The palette came in this box and the 2 lip balms came in here. On the back, it just has all the information about the product itself, and it says the value, buying it in this box, the value is $36 and you can purchase the collection for $26. And then you can save even more money on top of that if you use a coupon code, which I personally do not have. I'm still trying to get on Juvia's Place's radar and get them to give me a coupon code for you guys, because I've had so many of you guys tell me that you've been turned on to Juvia's Place products because of my review, which makes me so thankful. And I'm knocking on the door. Juvia's Place, notice me. So it'd be great if you guys could like DM them or let them know that I exist as well. That'd be great. Anyway, so that's the packaging. Now we're gonna go into lip balms. These 2 lip balms that, calm down. These 2 lip balms that came in the collection. These 2 are in the flavors caramel and berries. I'm wearing berries on my lips today with a combination of the lip liner Cola, which came in their nude lip collection that they released earlier in the year. I love this lip liner, by the way. It's so good. I'm currently wearing the berries lip balm, and that's what that is. And the caramel one is such a pretty one too. Now these are not by any means a lip pigment, like it's not very super pigmented. Most of the color that you can see on my lips is from the lip liner, but there's still a slight tint and a very nice gloss. It's not glossy though, it doesn't slip and slide everywhere, it's not sticky as well. It's just a very nourishing lip balm. So love those. The packaging is stunning as per usual. And now we come to the palette. This one is so beautiful. It's the same size as their little mini palettes. It comes with 6 shades and smaller pan sizes. They do not have shade names, which, you know, as you guys know if you watch my videos, it's not a deal breaker for me, but I love when they have shade names. It's a little disappointing when they don't take the opportunity to name the shades. Anyway, that's just me personally. I don't know if anyone else likes to have names on the shades. So in this palette we have 2 shimmers, 3 mattes, and 1 glitter shade. Now this one you definitely need a glitter primer before applying it to the eyelid, just for something for it to stick onto, to stick down on top of, if that makes any sense. But my review of the matte shades in this palette, they're stunning. I have never been so blown away by a matte purple eyeshadow from Juvia's Place. They really got it this time. Previous purple eyeshadows that from previous palettes, I think like the Warrior 3 and the Zulu eyeshadow palette, the purples in those palettes, I think they missed the mark on those, but the mattes in this one, they are pigmented AF. You guys will see later on in the video, I do a tutorial creating this look here, but the matte shades are so pigmented. They blended really beautifully and they built up really nicely as well. I did struggle somewhat a little bit with the matte shade to adhere to the skin on the outer portion of my eye. I did have a primer down. I had a primer and then I had a concealer on top of that, so I had like a double base, but I still struggled to get the matte, the dark purple matte, to stick to the outer corner of my eye. Having said that, I do struggle most of the time as well to get any other shades that I apply to the outer corner of my eye. So when you see me struggling in the tutorial portion of this video to adhere, I just kept patting it on and patting it on, patting it on. It's my skin on that portion of my eye. I don't know why. Maybe that it's just a bit of texture on that part of my eye. Maybe I scrubbed too hard on my skin in the past life. Don't scrub your eyes too hard, guys. It's bad for you. It'll give you wrinkles. So when you see me struggling, it's not the shade, it's perfect. It's stunning, it's pigmented, it's beautiful. I even put a base down, something sticky for it to apply to. It was just my skin on that part of the eye. Having said that, it's still kind of holding on in there. If you look really closely, it's still kind of patchy, but that's just the way my skin is on that portion of my eye. And it's crazy too that it's in this same spot on both outer corners of my eye. Maybe I scrubbed that part too hard when I'm doing my skincare or exfoliation. I don't know. I don't know what the problem is, but that is the case with my eyes. My eyes are kind of effed up at the moment, actually. I'm kind of struggling with my eyes. I'm getting them checked up this week. Hopefully I don't go blind at an early age. Anyway, that's besides the point. So that's my review on the palette. I'm gonna quickly swatch these for you guys, but I will make a video later on swatching the palette. So like, it's just a swatch video included in my series. But just for now, I'm gonna quickly swatch these on my arm and show you guys the shades. Okay, so these are the shades in the palette. The matte shades take building up, just as any matte colors do. They do take some building up, but once you've built them up, they literally are there. There is a bright, bright pop of pigment right there. Just stunning, absolutely stunning. The shimmers are to die for. They're very easy to apply. They don't flake off, they're not cakey, they're not dry, and this glitter here is absolutely beautiful. I'm quite impressed with this glitter, to be 100% honest. It was very easy to swipe on. It's not chunky and it doesn't like flake everywhere. There's not even any glitter glue on my skin here right now, and it's not flaking off. It's absolutely beautiful. I love those little flecks of glitter right there. So yeah, those are the shades in the Nubian Royal palette. This is awkward. How do I show this? So those are the swatches from the palette. What can I say? I love this collection. I'm also going to be reviewing the other. This one is the Nubian Glow, Juvia's Place. That will be a separate video. But for now, if you guys want to see the tutorial portion of this video, how I created this makeup look, then you know what to do. Just keep on watching. This is also almost a full face of Juvia's Place products. You guys will see in the video. I also want to do a video creating a makeup look using all Juvia's Place products. So if you guys want to see that, give the video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below what kind of videos you want to see from me. I want to hear from you guys. Please let your voice be heard. Let me know what you want to see, because at the moment I'm feeling a little bit lost at the moment. I'm just feeling a little bit unmotivated because I haven't really heard a lot from you guys, to be honest. The views of my videos have been down. I don't want to be a downer, but that is the truth. That's the reality. I know you guys don't owe me anything. But I'm kind of needing to hear from you guys in the comments, even if you just comment something. Just say hi. Anyway, if you guys want to see this look and how I created it, just keep on watching.
Every other night, trying to forget me when I can't forget you. How can I, when every single truth and lie keep coming back to haunt me, yet make me want you to? Is it hard to love me me or let me go. If the truth hurts, I learn to live on alone. It is sometimes better to be honest than make me try to hold. Please love me or let me go. Please love me or let me go. Please love me or let me go. Misinterpreting the signs, putting all the fault on you when it wasn't true. Now I try to live out every other night, thinking of the times that I started falling through. How could I have ever been so out of mind? I am part to blame in all this too, tearing you away from the bulk of me and you. Was it hard to love me or let me go? 'Cause the truth hurts, I get to live on alone. It is sometimes better to be honest, so I can try to go. Oh, please love me or let me go. 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 Please love me or let me go.
guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you are up to this point in the video, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I know not a lot of people watch to the very end of all videos, and I know in my own analytics I can see exactly where people stop watching. I know literally about 90% of you don't watch to the end of my videos, but if you are the 10%, thank you. I really truly appreciate you. December is coming up, you guys. If you wanted to get a really nice present for your friend, for your loved one, for your family, for yourself, for your dog, you know where to find it. Go to Juvia's Place's website. This collection is available for $26, as is the Nubian Glow. So there's another video coming soon with that one. So that's it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Now, I don't know if this is limited edition, but I don't know if this is limited edition. Well, that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much watching. Wow. Thanks so much watching English. I forgot to speak English.